Hello friends, my name is Temak Pratiksha and today's video topic is variable and its type, and today's date is 29 July 2021. So let's see the variables. A variable provides us with the name storage that our programs are manipulate. Each variable in Java has a specific type which determines size and the layout of the variable's memory, the range of the values that can be stored within the memory, and the options that can be apply the that and the options that can be apply. We can must declare all the variables before they can be used. There are the three kinds of variables in Java are the local variable, instance variables, and the class static variables. Local variables are local variables are the variables are declared in the methods, constructor or the blocks, and the local variables are the local variables are created with the method. Then the constructor or the block constructor or the constructor or the block is enter, and the variable will be destroyed the once it exists the methods. Then the constructor or the blocks access modifier cannot be access modifier cannot be used for the local variables, and access modifiers are the private, public, and protected, and the default. Local variables are the visible only when the declare in the class, when in the declare in the method, constructor, or the block. So local variables are created. Access modifier cannot be used for the local variables. Then the local variables are implemented at the stack level internally, and then there is the no default value for the local variables. So local variables should be the instance variables. So instance variables are declared in a class but outside the method, and the or constructor or any block when a space is allocated for an object in the heap memory. A slot of the object is created with the use of the keywords now, and destroyed when the object is destroyed. Instance variables hold the values that we must be referenced uh, by the more than the one method. Constructor or the block or essential parts of an essential part of the object's states that must be present throughout the class. Then the instance then the instance variable can be declare the class level before or the after users, and then the access modifier can be give access modifier is given for the instance the variables. Then the instance variables are visible for all the methods, constructor, and the blocks. Then the instance variables can be accessed directly by calling the variables name inside the class. However, within the static methods, when variables when the instance variables are given accessibility, so they should be the using the full qualified name. Then the class variables is also known as the static variables are declared with the static. There would there only there would only be one copy class of each class variables per class, regardless of the how many objects are the created from it. Then the static variables are rarely used other than the being declare as the constants. When we it beca- when we became the variables is static when their accessibility is all over. When it is making the local variables, it means it is the within the class or the within the that method. So this so the accessibility of local variable after the curly braces is finished, we cannot access this all over the class. So we have to make this local variable to instance variable. So in that condition we are using the constructor, and constructor is used as the constructor is used for the initialization and the instantiation. So in that the we are also making the local variable into the instance variables, so that the and the constructor name must be same as the must be same as the class name. So in that constructor we are making the using with the this keywords. So let's see one example. So we are in so we are understanding this problem better. So if we creating a if we creating a class of name students, and it has the some string name int id, and integer it is the data types, and marks, and name id and marks, these are the variables. And using the constructor means the student, and uh, in that parameter, it have the method name, and the it have the method name and the data name, and the data type, and the variable name. In that the string name, then string then int id and the int marks. So initialization, so this dot name equal to name. So and again this dot id is equal to id, and this dot id and this dot marks is equal to marks. So their accessibility in all over the class. And the variable name, we can also whatever we want the name we can giving to the variable. And there is no default values, there is the no default values in the yes, there is no default values in the for the variables. So and there is variable can there are many data types, and variable is also common is always used with the data types. So data types can be primitive and the non-primitive data types. Primitive data types can be primitive, and non-primitive data types can be the integer string, then uh, then long float and the double, and the float and the double. So it's all the variables. Thank you.